Now, what if you could see the true strength of a business beyond profit numbers? EV versus EBITDA. Does that just mean that it reveals the company's real earning power, free from debt and accounting tricks? Whether it's a Tata Motors EV boom or Ola Electric's rise, this metric helps investors spot true winners before the market does. Now, imagine you own a thriving Kirana store. When selling it, buyers won't just focus on your profits after rent, loan, taxes. They will want to know how much your business truly earns before all these extra costs. Now, that's where EV EBITDA comes in, and it strips away the noise and reveals the company's crore or the core profitability. Now, take Tata Motors for instance. With its EV division gaining momentum, investors look beyond just revenues or net income. They analyze EV EBITDA to understand how efficiently Tata generates cash before interest, taxes, and debt weigh in. Now, this metric puts company on an even playing field, and whether it's an Ola Electric, Mahindra, or Tata, startups are disrupting the auto space. Now, why is this crucial to understand? A low EBITDA ratio might signal an undervalued gem, while a high one could mean an overhyped stock. Smart investor use this formula to uncover businesses with strong cash flow, growth potential, and financial resilience. So next time you are evaluating a stock, don't stop at profits. Look deeper, look beyond. EV versus EBITDA is the ultimate game changer that reveals the real value of the company. Now, numbers can be deceiving, but EV EBITDA tells you the real story about the company, and it's how top investors are also making their decisions separate hype from value and spot the next big opportunity. Now, whether you are eyeing Tata Motors, Mahindra, rising, emerging EV startup, this metric is your secret weapon. Decode business strength and invest smarter today. Do let us know in the comment section.